see them squirrels? You gonna get them? You a squirrel dog? You see that squirrel, don't you? It's right there on that tree. There's 3 or 4 of them out there, isn't it? Go get them. You go get them. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We have one about to get on the bird feeder. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to turn you out there. We can't have it on the bird feeder. Nope. No. You might get to go hunting. Mom might have to turn you out to go hunting. You like to chase them up the tree, don't you? It won't focus. The camera won't focus. The camera won't focus over there, Brinlee. Yep, that one's out there. He's on the ground. He better not get on my bird feeder. I'm gonna turn Brinlee on him. Brinlee will get him. Brinlee will get him. Yeah, get that squirrel, Brinlee. Yeah, Brinlee will get him up that tree. Yeah, she was snorting to death. And she was snorting to death. Brinlee, get him, Brinlee. Y'all, I shouldn't tease her. Uh-oh, we got another one out there. It's on the mimosa tree. Get him, Brinlee. Get that squirrel. You're doing a good job. Yeah. You're doing a good job. Y'all, I don't know why it won't focus over here. We're watching the birds, or Mama's trying to watch the birds. And them squirrels is trying to take over the yard again this morning. This is our view from Nugget's favorite chair. This is Nugget's favorite chair. Y'all see, he got his steps over here where he can get up real easy, 'cause he got to be a fat boy and he can't jump no more. And Mama laugh at him. Mama laugh at that sweet weenie dog all the time. And Daddy's the sweetest weenie dog, y'all. Y'all would love Nugget Henson. He's the bestest boy. He's a sweet boy, and boy, Brinlee, she teaching bad stuff. And Big Sister, yeah, Big Sister, she teach you bad stuff, Nugget. You better watch out. You better watch her. Yeah. Get him, Brinlee. Shh. Get him. Get that squirrel, Brinlee. Well, that one ain't getting on the bird feeder. I think these are new to the yard. Y'all, there is so many birds out here this morning. I mean, just an abundance. This little feeder right here is just been wrapped up all morning. Lots of birds. Lots of doves and blue jays. All kinds of little, I think that's not focusing because of the screen there. At times it's catching that screen somehow. Maybe they'll come back. Something scared them. Something scared them away, but I see 3 squirrels right now, 2 on the big tree and that one's still on the ground over by the feeder. Drinking water. They're drinking water. Blue jays has been in that water this morning. Okay, we're gonna let Brinlee hunt squirrels. Say goodbye, YouTube. We love you, fans. Say I love my fans. Uh-oh, there goes a squirrel running across the driveway. Uh-oh, see him out there? See him out there chasing each other? It's not very clear, but y'all can tell what's going on, I think. And Brinlee loves it. She watches and watches. You see him? There's 2 of them out there. Yeah, it's squirrels. They're on their feeder. They're on their feeder. It's okay. They're not on the bird feeder yet. Yeah, good job. You're doing a good job squirrel watching. Yeah, you been watching squirrels. You and Nugget. Y'all been watching squirrels this morning. Make sure they don't get on that bird feeder. You see them? You see them? They're out there on that tree, running around. You see them on that tree? They're eating their breakfast this morning. They're eating their breakfast this morning. You like them squirrels, Brinlee? You like them squirrels? Brinlee is squirrel watching. You see him? She'd be a good squirrel dog. Nugget just kind of follows her lead. And Nugget, he's a good weenie dog, everybody. He's a good weenie dog. He loves his mama. And Mama's got her coffee. And we're just watching squirrels this morning. Get it to zoom back in. They keep running around that tree. One's to the left and one's to the right now. They're by the feeders. Y'all see them? There's some corn out there and some sunflower seeds. So they're having breakfast with Miss Annabelle, the white hydrangea. And Brinlee is focused in. Brinlee is focused in. Nugget got up sneezing this morning. That cottonwood tree is deadly in our neighborhood right now. Brinlee watching them squirrels. Look at her. Well, she ain't gonna miss nothing. One's on the going towards the ground. See his tail flipping on the tree. Oh, it's another one. That's why. There's 3 of them. 3 of them now. Well, that'll keep Brinlee entertained for a while. I think I'll catch up on my friends' YouTube videos while these babies are being entertained.